Top Drawer RVA presents a Dixie Belle Paint makeover. Let's paint this pretty with Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint Anchor. This small cabinet was in great shape but really needed a color update. I wanted to use something with a built-in primer because of the red wood. Red wood can bleed through tannins onto your paint. I chose Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint. After cleaning and rinsing with water, I gave it a slight scuff sand and we were ready to begin. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint requires a smooth synthetic brush. I like to use my Scarlet brush for this job. It helps if you top load your brush a little bit before applying this paint. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint is self-leveling. Apply one even coat, working in sections to cover the entire piece. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint requires a 2-hour minimum dry time in between paint coats. I cleaned the hardware and updated it with a new metallic paint color. I then lined the interior drawers with wrapping paper. Since Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint has a built-in top coat, when you're done painting, you're done. Install the original hardware and you're finished. Silk All-in-One Mineral Paint is available in 20 Hampton-inspired colors.